Hello everyone, use delimited option in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have data. So these data have in one column. So here I'm going to split the data into different column by using the delimited option. Simply select the entire column. So here I select the entire column, go to the data tab. In data tools group, click on the text to column option and here the one dialog box is open, convert text to column wizard. Okay, choose the file type that best describe your data. So I select here the delimited, the first option. You can check the preview of selected data. After that, click on the next and you can check here again data preview. To split this data, just simply click on the space option and here you can see the one line is break between this data. Okay, so this data is will split in different column. Okay, simply click on the next and click on the finish and that's it. You can see your data is split in the 3 column. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.